Okay.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock at the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, wait at the gate. 9, 10, let's do it. More. Again. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock at the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, wait at the gate. 9, 10, let's do it again. Again. 1, 2,
This all started when Ian's voice cracked while singing.
5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, wait at the gate. 9, 10, let's do it again.
Sillies. But then when Mommy sang it, they were like, don't think so. Alright, the times have changed, the clocks have changed, so now kids are taking a nap at 1 o'clock. And we're not going to adjust them back. Because it gets so light out, as you know.
Baby Elmo needs love. We just found this out the other day. Well,
Mommy.
we.
Yeah, Ardith didn't tell us there's a third button on the left hand. And he says new things like, I'm hungry. That's so cute. So cute.
Baby Elmo wants Baba. I thought it said Baby Elmo sucks.
I thought it said baby almost sad. Cute? I was like, what about cucumbers?
Dada. Oh.